Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about healthy juice ideas for your skin. We all know that a healthy lifestyle is essential for our overall well-being, and our skin is no exception. Juices are a great way to get your daily dose of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which can help keep your skin looking vibrant and healthy. 1. Cucumber green juice is a great detoxifying agent that can help clarify your skin. Combine cucumber, celery, parsley, and mint in a juicer and enjoy a refreshing and nutrient-packed drink. 2. Broccoli. This nutrient powerhouse is packed with vitamins A and C, which can help protect your skin from damage. Add some leafy greens like spinach to boost the nutrient content further. 3. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation in the skin. Make a pineapple juice smoothie by juicing some pineapple, a splash of water, and some honey for a natural and delicious skin-brightening concoction. 4. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of beta-carotene, which can help your skin produce more vitamin A. Juice a sweet potato with some ginger for a zesty and invigorating drink that will give your skin a natural glow. 5. Avocado. This superfood is packed with healthy fats and nutrients that can help soften and moisturize your skin. Add some spinach and kale to your avocado juice for an extra dose of vitamins and antioxidants. 6. Beet juice. Beets are known for their ability to reduce inflammation in the body, which can help improve the health of your skin. Juice some beets with carrots, celery, and cucumber to create a nutrient-dense drink that will give your skin a natural radiance. These are just a few of the many healthy juice ideas that can help your skin stay radiant and healthy. Remember to drink plenty of water and incorporate a variety of these juices into your diet to achieve the best results. Cheers to healthy skin!